At one time, I was associated with that film as a producer. I would not have thought of it. Vasan Bala thought of him, and the way he pulled it off, because they worked together in Peddlers.
Yeah.
And he saw more in him. Life का लंबा relationship मेरे driver नारायण जी है. Because I live so much in my head, I'm not available.
No, he's very fond of me, I'm very fond of him, and that fondness, I don't feel composed or comfortable to sort of do my job. So it's really important for me to understand what is it that they're making, so then I can serve that sensibility.
ज़्यादा डर इसलिए लगता है क्योंकि मैंने देखा है, success very easily becomes a formula. When something becomes successful, and I've seen it very closely.
Hello everyone, this is Aina and welcome to Instant Bollywood. I'm in conversation with two extremely talented people today, Anurag Kashyap and Gulshan Divya. So nice to have you all.
Three extremely talented people.
Three.
I count myself twice. Double
Love
role, na?
that. Double role. I want to start off by asking that, you all both collaborated years ago in that Girl in Yellow Boots. Gulshan, I want to ask you, what's the difference between Anurag Kashyap, the director, versus the actor?
Huge difference. He's interesting person as both, but I get to spend more time and chat with him when he's the actor, which I don't get. I never had that access when he was the director, because he's so consumed by what he is doing.
Yeah.
So when he's an actor, he has time in between shots where he doesn't know what to do. So that gives me the opportunity to go and hang out with him actually. Like in all these years of knowing him, I mean, he gave me two of my best opportunities.
Yeah.
One as director and one as producer.
Yeah.
That Girl in Yellow Boots and Shaitan. And he went on to be producer of Hunter also, which is probably my...
And Little Thomas, that's coming.
And Little Thomas, which is a children's film. He's made me do adult film. Now he's making me do children's film. अच्छा है ना, सब कुछ कर लेते हम.
सब कुछ.
So, but yeah, that's the difference. That I got to really see Anurag Kashyap as Anurag Kashyap, the person, and not as the director or storyteller, whom I have tremendous respect for.
Absolutely.
But
When
I
I'm
never got to
acting,
hang
I
out with
think
him.
I'm emotionally and mentally available.
Yeah, when he's an actor. Yeah, he has time. Otherwise, he doesn't.
So for you, how much have you seen him evolve as an actor? It's been years, and I feel as an audience, भी मुझे
He constantly
बहुत
surprises.
evolved.
Great question.
He constantly surprises, and evolution इसका regular है.
Of course.
Constant, मतलब ये सवाल मेरे को कुछ चीजें जो ये सब तो कर सकता है और कर सकता है. Some performances of his which for me the most incredible performance of Gulshan Divya is Mard Ko Dard Nahi Hota, because his transformation, his everything that he did, I did not expect that at all, because at one time I was associated with that film as a producer. I would not have thought of it. Vasan Bala thought of him, and the way he pulled it off, because they worked together in Peddlers.
Yeah.
And he saw more in him than I could. And I think that was the performance of the year for me. I don't know why it was not rewarded or awarded, but it totally blew me. Like
Oh,
for
they
me,
tried to. I just didn't have time to show up.
Yeah.
To collect it.
so बहुत ही वो तो कुछ अलग लेवल पे था.
Yeah.
हाँ, तो बाकी सब तो मुझे लगता है कि इसका ये एक्टर इतना अच्छा है, वो होता ही है. और मैंने जब इसको पहली बार देखा था as a person, when I decided to cast him in the film, I saw him dancing to Bachchan songs.
Oh.
With Kalki.
Oh.
Because Kalki is friend, and they were dancing to Bachchan songs on my terrace. So that's how I remember. I said, उसकी अलग-अलग personality, because he's also done fashion. So he's always disapproving of my fashion.
Today, so definitely. Completely disapproving. Except for the Gucci glasses, everything is crap.
But I've seen him. Like, as an actor, he is constantly surprising.
But it's so nice to see both of you all have, even as a relationship, it has evolved so much over the years.
हम लोग बहुत कम, मैं तो बहुत इतना अपने सर में रहता हूँ. मेरा एक्चुअली मेरा सबसे लाइफ का लंबा रिलेशनशिप मेरे ड्राइवर नारायण जी है. क्योंकि I live so much in my head, I'm not available.
No, He's very fond of me. I'm very fond of him, and that fondness is always there.
It's always
You
there.
feel that when
Yeah.
when you meet.
You start from where you
But
left.
yeah, but it's like
No, मैं हुई नहीं available.
we never got that time because
We
of the
actually spend the
circumstances
most time while acting.
while acting.
While acting.
Just be two people discussing about anything. It could be the food or the chai that we're having.
And that's when I discovered इतना खुराफाती हो गया है. हर चीज पे गाना है इसके पास. कहीं से भी गाना गाता है. और कैसा होता है मतलब
गाना सुन सुन के ही बड़ा हुआ हूँ मैं, तो इसीलिए संगीत का तो मतलब मेरे अंदर काफी है.
बहुत है. But so for you, what's inclining you towards, trying out a different spectrum of filmmaking, which is acting? Because
नहीं
we're
मैं
seeing
एक्टिंग
you do
करता था.
that a
मैंने
lot
बहुत थिएटर
now.
किया था.
But
बहुत
it's-
थिएटर किया था और मैं फेल्ड एक्टर रह चुका हूँ because when I did not understand the medium, I was terrible on screen, so I decided to give up acting. And then over years, 20 years, 25 years of experience, now I understand the medium so well that I now know I can do it. What I can't do as an actor still, वो डिसिप्लिन मेरा खत्म हो गया जब मैंने थिएटर छोड़ा तो. हम थिएटर करते थे तो we used to get into rehearsal mode, prep for a role,
yeah.
be there, be that character. अभी मेरा डिसिप्लिन नहीं है, मेरा फिजिकल बॉडी मेंटेन नहीं कर पाता और that kind of homework मैं नहीं कर पाता.
But was acting the first dream? Direction के पहले?
नहीं, I wanted to get into movies somehow.
Somehow.
Acting was the easiest way to get in and writing was the easiest way to get in.
Yeah.
For me, that was the easiest way to get in. The moment I got the chance to write a film, I quit one of the biggest plays that I was cast in by Nasir Saab, Motley. And he was very upset with me. Then I got to write Satya.
But so now when you watch yourself on screen as an actor,
I
are
don't
you
watch myself on
satisfied?
screen.
You don't?
I don't watch myself on screen. I don't watch my interviews. I don't watch because you know what happens is one तो एक बार गलती से देखा था जब it feels very surreal to watch yourself.
Yeah.
So I don't watch myself at all. I submit to the director and I don't watch my interviews because I'll be conscious of what I'm saying and what I'm not saying. I don't have any filter.
Yeah.
So देखूंगा तो वैसे ही होगा क्यों बोल दिया क्या बोल दिया तो मैं देखते नहीं. I don't watch it at all. And मतलब guarantee one audience less and one ticket sold if you ask me. One ticket less sold.
No, some of the interviews are pretty good. You should check
Very,
them out.
very good.
I'm not. Because I talk without filters. That's why I don't watch it.
Last night I was watching one of his interviews to just understand more and more of Anurag sir, and it's just like so intriguing. I had to sleep, but I couldn't because I wanted to hear him talk. So I
There's no filter. There's nothing.
yeah, so
मैं
that
बस
works.
ऐसे-
I think we lack that somewhere in
I think it
interviews
depends
today.
on his
So
mood.
probably.
Sometimes he really is capable of talking about things with nuance, and he is more interested in those subjects and all those things like that. And those interviews turn out to be really of great value.
Yes.
And they're very
a
listenable.
lot of things you understand in life in retrospect. I have understood a lot of things after losing them.
That's humans, I guess.
Yeah.
So we can learn a lot from watching his interviews.
Yeah.
You don't have to
So I
necessarily
have like
lose.
हाँ मतलब in the sense perspective बहुत कुछ चीज़ों पे आ गया है. मुझे मालूम है क्या चीज़ नहीं करनी है. No कहना जो है ना. तो मैं डायरेक्शन में वही करता हूँ. I just say no. I don't tell people what to do. I tell them what not to do.
What not to do. Teaser, it looks quite twisted because of double role and the whole angle between the two of you. When you read a script like that looks so twisted, how as actors do you all get that confidence कि ये translate होगा on screen?
इसने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी इसको पूछो.
Yeah.
मैंने नहीं पढ़ी.
हाँ.
It's not very twisted and complicated that way.
Okay.
The idea of the story is to also be entertaining. And I've worked with Aditya, who's the director of this. So I am familiar with his style and sensibility and what he wants to say as a storyteller. He is unabashedly interested only in making things that are very stylish and cool and entertaining. That's why he's a storyteller. Now other people can be storytellers for other reasons. Like he's a storyteller for different reasons. So it's not really a story. It has lots of twists and turns, but it doesn't have the same kind of complexity that would force you to think or something. It's designed to entertain. So that way it has enough twists and turns for the sake of entertainment.
Mass. South
yeah,
Indian
it has that
mass.
mass sort of a thing. It has that you know Rohit Shetty cop universe sort of a thing to make for people because they're familiar with this idea of Rohit Shetty cop universe. That's why you use it as an example.
True.
So for me, it was like, how will I interpret this massness, and how will I serve this mass sensibility? That was the thing that was interesting. So that was the thing that I had to figure out. And because I had already worked on Commando 3 with Aditya, so I was a lot more familiar with his style.
Yeah.
So I could easily kind of, you know, in my head visualize how he would shoot. And if he would say something to me, I know what exactly he's expecting.
Spoken to a few actors, you've always mentioned about how आप अपने actor को बता देते हो that you know what you don't need to do and you give them the free space to act themselves. Whereas some actors like to be told exactly what to do. I was speaking to Richa Chadha recently and she did mention that I like, even though the opposite person might think I'm a good actor, I like to be told exactly how to emote. What's your take on, you know, such things? How is your way of direction different from other directors?
I don't know how other people direct, but
Since you've directed Richard Chadda also.
Yeah.
मैं तो she preps a lot and she came prepped and I जो pre-preparation notes थे मैंने उससे हाथ से छीट के फेंक दी.
Right.
But generally, slowly actors start to trust you. First दिन सबको ही डरता है ये क्या तरीका है, but I think उसके बाद they get very comfortable with it. It depends, because in the sense I give them all the information they want from me.
Yeah.
So if you feed them correct information and correct zone and emotional zone, it comes out.
It comes out. You get what you want.
Because I don't focus on how they're delivering their dialogues. That's never my focus.
Then the focus is the emotion.
Focus is always the character and the emotion and the moment and the truth in the moment.
Gulshan, what do you prefer in terms of direction as an actor?
Like for me, it's important to understand the sensibilities of the storyteller. If he's telling a story, I want to know how he is telling the story. If Aditya is telling a story or Mr. Bansali is telling the story, I want to understand with as much nuance as possible as to what is their style, so that I can serve that style. So I'm totally okay with either of them. When I'm confused when I don't have a proper understanding, and then I'm there thinking of something, and then the director is saying do this, do that, or the other way around, and I'm completely unprepared, and then asking. I don't want to be in that sort of a situation. I don't feel composed or comfortable to sort of do my job. So it's really important for me to understand what is it that they're making, so then I can serve that sensibility.
Absolutely. Anurag, for you, even you know, you've mentioned that you keep writing things as in when you feel. How do you get the gut feeling? Because जब आप खुद लिखते हो, you believe in probably most of your stories because it's coming out from a certain place.
I'm always searching and finding. I'm never. The whole process of filmmaking at all three different stages, which is writing, directing, and editing. I'm always looking for my film.
Right.
So मैं कभी वैसे जाता ही नहीं हूँ.
But how do you get the gut feeling कि मुझे इस पे फिल्म बनानी है?
वो आ जाता है अंदर से. जो चीज़ आपको affect करती है, अब मैं उस पे फिल्म बना.
Right. There's no certain.
There's no certain thing.
Formula.
I'd like to keep away from the race of trying to outdo somebody else. I just want to make my film my way, honestly, and try and find something out of it. A lot of time filmmaking is cathartic experience for me.
Yeah.
So for me, it's never to try and cross a box office or a boundary or anything. वो सब है ही नहीं.
But is it easy to keep yourself away from all these external
Yeah, it's very
factors?
I was never in it.
Hmm.
So I'm saying it's easy because I was never in it.
Yeah.
I'm saying और मुझे सक्सेस से बहुत ज़्यादा डर इसलिए लगता है क्योंकि मैंने देखा है success very easily becomes a formula. When something becomes successful, and I've seen it very closely, something becomes very successful and unexpectedly successful, it becomes a formula. It scares me so much because when my films were banned, I saw people go up and fall down. And then they start doing something which they are not.
Yeah.
और आप कोई भी फिल्म मेकर को देख लो, वो रिपीटेटिव होता है सक्सेस के बाद. तो मैं इसलिए देवडी का डर गया था, तो मैं येलो बूट्स बनाए क्योंकि देवडी सब लोग बोले चल रही है. मैं एक ऐसी फिल्म बनाते जो बहुत पर्सनल है.
Yeah.
और वो गले में अटकी हुई थी कहानी में, तो मैं वो करूँगा.
But it's very important to be yourself even when there are so many things happening.
Yeah, authenticity.
Authenticity.
My reason to be in filmmaking was because I love films, I love cinema, and I love making movies. I did not come here कि मेरा नाम एक दिन रिकॉर्ड बुक्स में आएगा कि मेरे लिए उस दिन होगा जिस दिन मेरे को अपनी मर्जी की फिल्म बनाने को नहीं मिलेगी. That day I will say I'm not a successful filmmaker.
Absolutely. नहीं, वो वॉल देखा है सर हम सब ने with full of DVDs. It shows the passion for films completely. Lastly, Gulshan, I want to ask you, Ulaj is coming and there's a lot happening also in the future. What do you have to say about it? What are you looking forward to the most?
A theatrical release, yeah, because
Yeah.
it's going to be out in the cinemas, and I'm really looking forward to sort of showing it to
Theatrical release.
people.
Yes.
Yeah, showing to people. I mean, that's how we all fell in love with stories. I mean,
Yes.
with cinema, right? So
Cinema is always
long format came much later. So, and which is great because it's a creative medium. It's a fun medium, and you can tell long format stories. But वो सिनेमा प्रेमी थे हम बचपन से,
जी.
तो वो जब मौका आता है तो definitely there is an excitement to be back in the cinemas again. So see where the movies is what I always say.
Looking forward to Bad Cop and a lot more coming ahead. Thank you so much for chatting with us. All the very best
Thank you.
for this and everything else ahead.
Hi, I'm Gulshan Devaya. Please like, share, and subscribe to Instant Bollywood.